Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the YouTube app and verifying you're signed into the account that contains shorts you want removed. Tap your avatar to access settings because removing shorts is done from your channel and content controls. Once done, go to Library, then your videos to list shorts. These display as vertical clips. Make sure the app is updated and you've cleared temporary cache if playback or menu items don't appear. This prevents wasted steps later. Now locate the specific short. Switch to the Videos tab and apply the short's filter or look for the vertical format icon. You'll see 3 dots on each item. Tap that and choose Delete to permanently remove the clip, or Edit then Visibility to change it to unlisted if you prefer temporary removal. You do this because deletion removes views and comments, whereas unlisting preserves analytics but hides public access. Make sure you confirm the prompt so the action completes. Finish by checking channel and upload defaults to prevent future shorts. Disable features that auto-create vertical clips and set default visibility to unlisted or private. If some shorts still appear, double-check other linked Google accounts and resync the library because content can show under different profiles. If delete fails, restart the app, sign out and back in, or reinstall YouTube. That usually clears permission or cache issues. If problems continue, try deleting from a desktop browser.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.